Alright, so we have a little situation going when we had to go through the Doris Raw's adventures.
Bro, we came through that. We came through that.
It's like oh, that way, Tom. You gotta go that way.
How?
Huh?
You can go under it? Alright, so right now we about to go see where we're gonna launch the water at, or launch the boat in the water at. So let's see.
Enter at your own risk, knows it.
Said enter at your own risk.
Yeah. Public and personal use allowed.
Allowed from dusk. Alright, cool.
Someone's fishing right there.
Oh yeah.
All the way there. Go straight all the way down.
Alright. You ready?
Well, you know, I live in the wildlife nature, boys.
And ain't got no knife.
You want to go get one? It's right down the street.
Right. Walking distance?
No. Hard distance, 2 minutes.
Y'all just looking?
No, I'm
No, you about to buy.
You want a knife?
Yeah.
Let me know when you're ready.
Okay.
I want that one.
I want that one.
Little seasoning. Little seasoning we put in crab.
That thing look hot.
That one.
I like that one too. That one's like a hefty one though. This one look like a little, might be a little flimsy. What you think?
I'm deciding between those two for me.
Oh, that's a good one though. That's gonna rip and tear right there.
Yeah, I want that one, matter of fact.
I think I want.
I'm getting that one.
Dang, I don't want to get the same one as you. Let me see your knife. Whoa. I'll tell you better though. I got the pimp knife.
Huh?
I got the pimp knife. Alright, Gino gonna put together the first oar. See what we got popping here. Dang. Dropping stuff.
I didn't mean these barbecues for the little two day.
Probably so. I'm not too sure where. In the middle. Not even needed knives. If somebody come, we can hit him with one of these joint. Hit him with the walk. Trusted, dusted pimp knife. Oh, you know what's crazy? I did a video not too long ago and I was like, eventually I'm gonna have a knife that I can just. I don't have a pocket knife, and eventually when I do these videos, I'm gonna have a cool pocket knife and I'm gonna open that thing up. You know? And now I do.
Here's your instructions.
Instructions? You use no instructions? See, we'd have been sick if we would have bought them fishing rods. I didn't know this joint was this heavy. This joint on the sea.
This joint make it trust it a little bit more.
This doesn't seem too difficult, but obviously I'm doing it wrong. Okay, this goes there. That makes more sense anyway.
I said we take our shoes off.
Take our shoes off?
Yeah. I mean, like, so we can just wash our shoes off real quick and put our shoes back on.
Take them off when we get in the boat?
Yeah.
So get in the boat without getting our shoes on the boat?
Yeah.
Okay. So, give us a message, you know, what's happening right now?
Alright, so we have a little situation going when we had to go through the Doris Raw's adventures.
Bro, we came through that. We came through that.
It's like oh, that way, Tom. You gotta go that way.
How?
Huh?
You can go under it?
Yeah.
Alright, Gino, how you feeling? I know we out here. Look, we done made it through some treacherous times, you feel me? But look, we got open waters coming for us. You know what I'm saying? We just beached up for a little second, you know what I'm saying? Kick it out, because it was stressful, man. We was thinking we was going to have to turn around. But my man Gino persevered, you feel me?
I had to get us through.
I man got us through.
I got it through this.
I was getting worried.
Get a little dirty to do it.
I was getting worried. Yeah, we came through all that. Alright, drone time.
I don't understand how this gonna fit 5 people.
You fit 5 people here. We have one person right here.
We just gonna be close.
We just be close, and then a 5th person in the middle. We probably fit 6 for real.
Bro, I feel love.
Oh boy, this is great.
Great idea. Yo. Dang.
Yeah.
That's how you fly this food in?
Huh?
You flew it in like that?
Yeah.
You vicious.
Oh, nah.
You-
Bro, you connect it and then take it out of the thing.
Oh, it goes
And
back.
yeah. You have a lot more control. We need you to do that.
Huh?
We need you to do that.
Why?
Because we need to be able to steer us for real. Like, you the front, so you got to steer
I can
us.
stare. I told you I just used one, and I've been staring. That's good. I just can't thrust forward. Nigga, I just turned into the circle. I was just doing nothing but go like this and move the inch forward. Like I can turn, I can't go straight. That's your job. You go straight. You go straight. I was hurting. You go straight.